we have low pressure that is a Category 3 hurricane. So this is a very dangerous situation for us around the evening, just in terms of winds alone, even though we no longer have the severe problem of the flooding in Tampa Bay and Old Hillsborough Bay as we talked about the past several days.
Hold on a second. Here we are outside of Fort Meade. Actually, we're downtown Fort Meade, right next to Cornerstone. If you'll see behind me there's Cornerstone Fellowship Hall. This is right about close to 3 o'clock on Friday afternoon, and Hurricane Charley is on his way. He will be here in about 5 hours. He'll be right above us. So what I'm going to do is just document and see what's going on. We are actually in downtown Fort Meade. There's a lone motorist. Scattered cars. Actually, there's more traffic out now than there has been for the past couple hours. You'll notice the buildings and businesses are boarded up. Donald has the sky overhead. Everything looks pretty clear. A few scattered clouds.
We also want to show you what it looked like on the Howard Franklin Bridge not long ago. Yesterday at this time, it was jam-packed with people leaving Pinellas County and heading east. Today, I don't think we spotted a car until quite a ways in. Just lots of driving rain, and of course, Pinellas County officials are now recommending that you stay put.
140 miles per hour. That's the observation right now. From the National Hurricane Center, that's what they're declaring. Of course, we did have 145 miles per hour. That still makes it officially, as of 5 o'clock, reported from the National Hurricane Center, a Category 4 hurricane. 131 to 155 miles per hour is the range for Category.
Here we are, outside just after 5 o'clock, out back, and that's Sarah Godbout. That's Carol Godbout. And that's Kim Boone, who didn't want to be in the movie, but she is now. The hurricane just hit land in Port Charlotte area at 145 mile an hour wind gusts. At 5 o'clock, this is what it looks like in Fort Meade. Just rainy, but the bands are headed this way. So we're going to walk around, or at least I am, out into the weather and get my camera wet. So no, I'm changing my mind about doing that. Somewhere. Now that we have umbrellas, we're going out into the storm. The actual bad part of the hurricane is not here yet. What do you think, Sarah?
I don't know.
How many hurricanes have you ever been in? Is this the worst? You can. Sarah's feet are getting wet. She's wearing flip-flops. Duh! As we round the corner, whoa, there's a gust of wind. Woo! Hurricane Charley! Hurricane Charley! What you got? Whoa, I'm getting pretty wet. Sarah's getting wet too. And there's a car. There are cars. 2 Godbout vehicles. And here we are at the side door where we're going in. One last look at the hurricane for now.
So that's the situation from here, guys. We are
rain and wind.
tracking the storm. You can see that Charley is having a great impact on parts of the News Channel 8 viewing area, and extremely impressive to watch these showers and thunderstorms. And even right now, across the extreme northern portion of Polk County, here moving into the northern part of Osceola County and more.
Power just went out in certain parts of the church. The storm is in Wauchula. Here's how it is outside. It was a lot worse a few minutes ago. We had some pretty hard wind. Take a look out the back. This is out back. You can see the wind's whipping pretty good. They said that it was possibly downgraded to a Category 2. The wind's really whipping good. The down branch. You can hear how hard it is. There's not much to say. Wow. The actual hurricane should be here within 30 minutes. The eye of the hurricane should pass over us in 30 minutes.
Away. Just whipping on through here. What time is it? About 6:30? I'm inside the door. I'm inside the building. Yeah.
The tree just fell in the backyard. The ranger barn was open. I just ran out and got it. Closed it. The rain and wind are just swirling everywhere. We are. Everybody's just kind of hanging out.
Hey, Rod.
Mickey's awake. Sleeping Beauty.
Hey, can I get you?
Charlotte. Hey, good looking. Hey, Charlotte. Charlotte. Where's Jesus live? Hey, look at Daddy. Charlotte, look at Daddy. Where's Jesus live? In your heart? You're so smart. Well, what do you think?
What do I think? I think it's gonna storm.
I think it's gonna storm too. Hold that. Can't really see it. The aluminum one right there was open. I ran out there and closed it. It wouldn't close. Whoa! That is a serious wind. Limbs all over the place. Half the tree's gone. I'll come back. Wind is just whipping the rain off the front of this building. I don't know if you can see it, but goodness. I can feel the window shaking. Pressure keeps changing on the doors. They keep moving back and forth. There's nobody on the other side. I'm gonna get this window. Eye of the storm is just south of here. If you can see the swirling rain. Here we are out back. Limbs are still falling. We are in the middle of Hurricane Charley. Rain is coming from every direction. Yeah.
Wait,
What is? Which one?
right here, see here? It's that tongue thing.
Yeah. Look at that. The eye is even closer. It's just outside of town now. One more look outside. And I'm about to go in and take shelter. There's roofs blowing off of buildings downtown. This is the roof. The roof came off part of the church here. It's laying in the back. There's another view of the downed tree in the back. Looks like another limb came down afterwards or broke off at a different time. My goodness, that looks like, no, oh my gosh. The other tree's down. Oh no. The front entrance is cracking. The roof is coming off. A tree fell, crushed the buses. When me and Pastor were there, we heard the glass cracking and breaking.
Which one? I mean, you can't see any of them broken.
Not from here.
They just give it.
Roof blowing away.
That's coming off the church, or coming off from over there.
Look at that dumpster.
Oh my goodness.
More of the bad hurricane. The roof has come off. The water is flowing. Yeah, no, that's even more of the tree down.
They
over
almost
there by
set
the
our
buses.
trees down on, the fence is down.
There's a power pole. The light's broken on it.
The biggest problem is,
On the other side, that entire roof is gone.
Here, trees down all over. Here's the roof. Shortly after it's passed through, peeled back with the original shingles showing. You can see that's the old church roof there, about 15 years ago. Pieces of the chandelier. Broke. The latest pictures out back, that's all that's left of that tree. My car's under there somewhere. That's serious wind, even 45 feet. You can see power line. We're headed back in towards Fort Meade. More power lines down here in Homeland. Having to go all the way around in order to get through. All the more trees down right outside of Homeland. They cleared it out. Get in the right-hand lane and slow down. Stedham Ford sign is pretty much finished.
Fine.
Here we go, coming into town.
This tree's just stripped. Branches all over the place. Look at the poles leaning over there. Oh my gosh, the power lines are down to the ground over here. So under those trailer park around. Oh, look at that. That's trees on the house. I'm slowing down anyway. Trees on top of that trailer. Oh my gosh.
and that trailer's rock sideways.
There's like 3 of them over there that just have trees covering the whole top of the house.
Wow.
We couldn't even see that when we left last night. So this was blowing this way and all the others were blowing that way.
And that one just snapped off and went straight down. James Dempsey's Fence Company is going to be doing really well.
I was going to say, Tiff is going to be doing real well pretty soon here.
VFW. Big trees.
These trees right here. Look at the parking lot over at Pit Stop. Power lines that connect to the building are all the way down underneath stuff.
This is much better cleaned out than it was last night. I mean, last night you couldn't get down this road. This was covered too.
Richie's still boarded up. And Richie's, they didn't even screw it. They just had like a backhoe and a van holding the plywood up against the window.
Oh.
That's what was bad last night. Those 2 lanes from those trees were completely blocked. People were coming over into this lane oncoming. That pine tree just snapped.
Dino's.
Look at that.
James lost a sign. Ace, Nicholson's Ace. Look at
Their privacy fence is gone. Greenwood did fine.
They didn't even lose a sign.
Herman just got lots of leaves. McDonald's is fine. There's a gas station. Where's the Circle K sign? Look at the Circle K sign on the front of the sidewalk. Yeah, make sure you
here's
get
John's.
Trees down at CNC.
What's left of the drive-thru.
Sign's gone. Yeah, we'll go down and loop around the back of the church.
The street lights down. Oh, that's broke. There's
McDonald's.
another one down.
McDonald's is closed on a Saturday for the first time in who knows how long. Oh, car? Looks like either Pastor and Sister Baker's car or Nanny.
What is that?
Look at the help.
Look at this.
The window is gone. This whole awning.
Move your hand back.
I'm sure Terry's sister's glad she didn't help him place right
Look
there.
at the bricks in the road over here, Nancy.
Oh, my land.
From up on the
People
second
live
story.
up there. That's where the Pastor lady lived.
Is that her name or did she flash people?
Last week, she just
Wow.
people would drive by.
Back of the church. Slow down. Stop. Never mind. Yeah, but I had a really good shot. Alright. Car's okay. Alright. Yep. So we go down Edgewood, and this was all covered last night. Well, you had to weave back and forth to get in and out of this street.
This church didn't have any windows. Amazed. All those big old windows. That church down over there, or the tree down over there at the Baptist church. Oh gosh, I'm across the street. That road was completely blocked last night. It's still pretty blocked.
Power line right there.
I don't know how that cleared the house. I mean, just barely took off the corner of the road. That was the only house I saw boarded up in all of Fort Meade yesterday.
Trees down all back there. Goodness.
The sign, but
Yeah. Buffet pizza. Don't point. Pointing right across the camera now. This is our street.
Where do you want to go?
Go down here. Just drive in front of our house.
Yep, I got the street cleared.
Sort of.
I better than I was last night. Look at this. I mean, just a whole yard is full of trees.
Go ahead, man.
That over there is the No-No's neighbor's
Yeah.
covering.
Yeah.
Look at this. This
Yeah.
carport.
They don't have it cleared down there. Here's our house. Trees down, roof, gutter. Stop right here. This is our roof, or what's left of it. That's why water was pouring inside the house last night.
There was a huge tree there coming over our yard.
Still is a huge tree, it's just now in there. Look at this side of the garage.
Over here behind Donna. I'm gonna wait until we turn and get all these.
Turn right down here.
Yeah. Granting back these. Looks like his barn's fine. Just all of his trees that are all over the place. I think I just have to check on them.
Can't get down third, no. Sleepy little Fort Meade got slammed by Hurricane Charley. No, try to go down there.
Can't see anything. This is 6th Street.
It appears as if we will not be able to get down Olant, as it is seriously blocked.
Over the power line. Let's just snap.
Tommy Chapman's house is right there.
Maybe greenhouse is okay. The power line's just laying on the sidewalk.
Thursday. Actually, neither do we.
Figured out I'd block the school back.
High school's in there somewhere.
So they get it back there, they don't have any problem getting around.
And there's the softball field. This is the football field. There's the stadium lights. And there's the press box. That didn't hit his house?
If that tree wasn't there,
It would have
hit his house. Oh yeah, there's no doubt about it. They're crushed, they were really crushed. One of the guys over there that budget there was something. Hey, watch out for the shed. Shed's already crushed.
Yeah.
I went down to Archie's house. It was pulverized all.
House, and this is the damage that was done here. Not a whole lot of significant damage, but the whole side, that front right there, you can see right into it, right up into the roof. The devastation and leftover. We're at 11:45 on Saturday the 14th, the day after. This is the roof. This pile of twisted metal is the roof off the church. And over there, and up there. This is all tree. This was the giant oak, the old oak that's been here forever. You can see it fell. Fell across itself. That old oak is still standing. Ranger room's okay. Watch yourself, babe. There's a big light bulb.
That's one of the ones from downtown.
Yep. Tree. That is just, man. There's the other side. Crack the concrete right there. This is all. Here's the uprooted tree that fell on the buses. Don't get too close to the hole, babe. Down in the hole. Just fell all down here. Uprooted. Cut the ground. There are the buses. Inside the bus. Shattered glass. On the back, this battery's almost dead again. You can see how the bus is tipped, how far it's leaning. Here's the front. The wheels are almost off the ground. If I can get close without putting myself in any danger.
the way those trees fell.
Yep.
How did that?
The other side of the big oak. That right there is completely ripped off. That was all aluminum. Or no, that wasn't aluminum, babe. That was stucco. Here's another view of the roof.
The roof torn back.
Torn back and the side of the old building exposed. Hallway damage. All over here. Considerable serious damage here. The roof. It stinks in here.
Looks like that, but most of the ceiling.
Oh. Nursery.
Vent in there.
Water on the floor.
Oh yeah, that whole floor.
Hang on, I'm talking to the video.
Pouring out of the air vent.
Water coming from underneath the walls here. And inside. Floor is soaked. It's coming out of all of the areas, vents, steady stream out of the nursery. Carpet is already flooded. Walls. Look at it coming out of the outlet right there. Bathroom. Day 2 after the hurricane. Water damage. Listen to the carpet soaked. Bathroom damage. Harder to tell without light and the paint. It's too bad the video can't capture smell. It stinks in here. Look, man.
Huh?
It's you.
shell of this right there. That's what I'm talking about.
I'm in the attic. You see light coming through there? All over there. You can see there's a hole in the roof over there and over there.